All right, here's correction problem number 13. It says, what are the x-intercepts of the graph of the quadratic function f of x equals 5x squared plus 4x minus 1? Remember, x-intercepts means solution, so it's asking for the answers. So step number 1, make sure your equation is solved for y. So if you look at our equation, f of x equals 5x squared plus 4x minus 1. Well, f of x is the same thing as y, so it's the same thing as y equals 5x squared plus 4x minus 1. So it's solved for y. So we're going to type our equation into y1, and then we're going to type 0 into y2. So grab your calculator. Into y1, we're going to type our equation, which is the 5x squared plus 4x minus 1. And then in y2, we're going to put 0. And then we're going to graph. And we're going to make sure we can see both x-intercepts on our picture. So we're going to press graph. And I can see both x-intercepts. There's one here and there's one here. So they both show up, so I don't have to adjust my window at all. And then it says we're going to do second trace 5. We're going to press and do the intersection and press enter 3 times. So the first thing it asks you to do is mouse close to your x-intercept. I do that different. I'm going to do second trace. I'm going to go to 5 and I'm going to hit enter twice. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and then I'm going to mouse so that I'm close to my cursor or my x-intercept. And I get down here that my intersection is at 0.2. Well, if you look at your answer choices, none of them are decimals. So remember that one of them is at x equals 0.2, which needs to be converted to a decimal, which is 2/10, which you should know is also 1/5. So one of my answers is that x equals 1/5. So let's do the other one. I'm going to go second trace, option 5. I'm going to hit enter twice. And then I'm going to arrow over so that I'm next to the other intersection over here on the left. And I'm going to hit enter my 3rd time. So now my intersection equals -1. So now I also have the x equals -1. So my two solutions are at 1/5 and at -1. And so if you look at your answer choices, A has those two as your answer choices.